What's going on, guys? This is Eric, and I'm going to show you how to change out your alternate battery for your 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This is where the batteries are located, behind your passenger seat wheel. You want to get you a wrench or whatever like that. If you got some extra special tools, that's cool, but a wrench should do it. All you want to do is loosen these. I kind of already loosened it up a little bit. And you want to loosen the next one. And loosen up both of these. Crap. Like so. And I don't necessarily need to show you play by play, but basically you're going to take these screws off, right? Remove that from off of the battery. And apparently there's some more things to do in here. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So, boom, you got another screw down here. Probably can't see it, but where I got the wrench at, there's another screw down there. Alright, so take out the alternative battery there. Just gotta unscrew it from here, unscrew it from there, and then you got this right here, this piece right here. This part goes into your main battery, and then it's like a little knob right there. If you see my index, that goes into your, plug that one back into your alternative battery. So this is the old one that came with the car. I'm about to put the new one in there.
That's the new one?
Yeah, it's the new one. So basically, I'm just going to put that back in there, screw it back on. It should be good to go. Alright, guys. And now the new battery is in there. You put your plate back over, like so. Boom. And you're good to go. If you like this video, found it any type of entertaining, appreciate you. Be great if you subscribe, hit the like button, comment, whatever the case may be. I'm not a handyman. I'm just a man trying to be handy. Y'all go ahead and take it easy. Be easy.